Yep. What's going on, Dad?
Well, today we're bringing the all motor out of retirement. It's gonna get a whole new revamp. It's gonna get a new name. She's gonna get a new heart, a new tune, and we're gonna go to IFO and go have some fun and try to get the spirit going again. Bring my son with me, Junior. Chris is coming, and then after we get the whole business engaged with this, we will be pulling out old turbo car. We got to bring out the Carbon K V2.
Yep.
Motor's already put together. Everything's ready to go. So today we're going to be loading it up. A friend of ours, Craig, Rent JDM. Thank you very much. He let us borrow the trailer because our trailer's in the backyard and it's too hard to get in and out, believe it or not. Yeah, bougie, right? Whatever. So we're borrowing a friend's trailer, which is exactly like ours, so that we can take the all motor back to the shop. We're gonna wrap it. We got a tune sesh on Saturday, which you guys will see. And then December 7th, IFO, see you guys there.
So what's the issue going on here?
Alright, bud, so problem is we did this little Willwood relocation kit, and for some reason they use plastic and then it just cups up around it. Yes, the reservoir is like that too, but the problem is these lines, since you can't tighten them all the way because it's plastic and you'll break them, they leak. So they're all leaking everywhere here. They leak all down here. Look at my paint, my engine bay, all destroyed. Thank you, Willwood. Make these out of metal, aluminum, something. Like, that's crazy, man. So anyways, in order to fix it, we're gonna remove this situation because it's dumb. I think we can put this right on it because we have this spacer plate on here. So let's find out. Take this off here. I had to put a clamp on here, Willwood, so don't act like I'm not doing it properly, because you guys don't even ask for a clamp. But I actually put a clamp, I'll show you where, at the bottom of this cup, because I didn't think it would work. And it obviously didn't, because the whole line is empty. How does that make sense? So, so this cup, see how it has, it just sits, right? So it sits on the piece. Is this broken, Willwood? No. So, it sits on the piece. Let's see if we can fit it on here. Shoot, we can put it sideways. Look at that. And we're in business. We don't need none of this crap. Dude. Look at it destroyed the engine though, dude. Like, literally destroyed the engine. You can tell exactly where the fluid's coming from. All over there. Like, crazy work, bro. So, let's remove this.
Fuck the relocation kit.
Yeah, like, here. There we go. Alright, so we got the front end off, we got it up on the jack. We're going to be taking off the wheels. We just fixed a flat on one of them, had a little nail in it. Just put a plug in it because we're not using them to race or anything like that. We use slicks and skinnies. It's just to keep the car rolling. We're going to be doing the brake bleed on it because of what happened. We're going to be doing oil change. We got to do, because of Chris, we're going to be doing, we're going to go through the whole car before Dyno on Saturday. And then we're going to wrap it. So, stay tuned. Just a little more angle. Faster feed. Brake system.
Nice.
I think that worked. We got bleeding, bled out good. That's not leaking as of now. Everything looks dry. Cap went back on. We let it sit for a second. Now let's see if we still have brake pressure. Yep, we still have brake pressure. We're good, boys. On to the next. Here, I'm just gonna pop the door open. Grab this sucker right here, pull it straight out. And we got, this thing is light. Oh, I need to be on the front side, so let's do this. Slowly gonna slide it in here with this guy.
Alright, let me get my outside in first. There we go. So that still needs a little more. So now what we want to do,
Door closed.
work.
Yes.
No adjustment needed. Little pin. Literally just set up the pin, line up the little hole, and then so you can get more space usually because you close the door. You just pop the pin in there and kind of pull it out so that it...
Alright boys, getting ready for the dyno. As you see, my dad wrapped half of the car in this cream color. Very nice, I like it actually. But yeah, get ready for the dyno. So let's go.
You know, like a dookie, like a piece of loggy shit. You know what I mean? Like it's a log of shit. This is a shit box. Latte makes more sense.
Any name recommendations?
Sounds more like a, I don't even want to say it. You might get fucking canceled.
Just because of the color now.
Yeah.
Any name recommendations? Put them down below, guys.
Turd looks like a log.
Pretty nice, huh?
Yeah.
Not too shabby.
Oh, the passenger door.
Yeah, I mean, there's a chain right here I haven't tried using.
More sense. Why the fuck were you?
Benzos, laptop, fuel, breakfast. Just fuel.
Oh, in the impact gun, so we can swap those tires and jack.
Needed it. Mickey Donnie's da.
So, are you guys excited to be back in it? Back in the racing scene?
Not yet, but we're going to be. Know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is the beginning of the beginning.
How excited are you for this dyno test?
It's your first one?
I've been to one, but I haven't recorded one.
It'll be a good one. Simple, easy. You guys didn't even let it look at. Oh my god!
Well, I mean,
Look how close.
I mean, he was there. There was no stopping it. You know what I mean? I mean, if it would have hit, it would have hit.
Kind of know what the car makes, so it's more for drivability. The tune on it fucking sucks. I mean, sucks. When I tell you it
Capital
sucks,
S.
you can't drive it. Doesn't idle. It's either full throttle or nothing. Whoever tuned this thing, man, he needs to quit. But
Quit while you're ahead, bud.
either way,
Stick to selling cars, bud.
yeah.
Stick to the eBay. Stick to China parts.
So you might want to excuse my friend sober gopher now. So there's no filter
Garbage.
anymore with Christian.
Garbage, man. Cabbage? No, garbage. Shit is shitter than shit on a stick, dude. It's shit. Sorry. But
So the tune's no good. We're gonna go to Dennis and get it tuned right.
Yeah.
Let's see what she makes.
We know what she's gonna make. She's gonna make
Make it easier to drive.
An easy 300.
Tunes from like Chris, like online, like lightning speed, like anytime there would be a video of their maps.
He would watch the
copying
computer to see what he did. I don't know. I
It
didn't
works, kinda. It makes power, but there's no drive. You can't drive this car.
This one is not drivable?
On or off?
Ah, it's a switch.
That's it.
Okay.
Well, it's also because it's probably on.
just,
no, but it's like unleaded fuel.
Then it's like C16, but a little bit lighter. See, with all motor cars, the fuel has to be, the specific gravity has to be a little bit lighter. That way you can move the fuel quicker.
I'd go grab it. See.
You could do X98. What's the type inject? 1000?
1250
Oh,
X.
good enough. You can do X98. You can do M1. You can do C14 Plus, or you can do C16, but it's too heavy.
So what is it gonna do?
We lose a little bit of power.
How much? It made 305.
295.
Nah, we're good. C16 it.
It's because of the after effect.
I love the C60 because you can park it for months and months.
No
Yes,
care. I don't have to
that
worry
was a
about
big
nothing.
thing
You
with
remember
it.
the term? How cool, man.
Wow, you got a lot of stuff.
That's cool. Let him in. That's just cool.
A lot of stuff.
That's my son. You know that, right?
Yeah.
He's not little no more.
Yeah. Big the boy.
That's why guys.
Did you talking around?
Yeah.
He was talking about Randy and the first he used to watch him like a long time ago. He had an almost right. When I told him we were gonna come tune at LDL, he's like, aren't they? I know exactly which one you're talking about.
On those tires too.
Yeah, these tires are so old. These tires are 10 years old.
Those rims are different too. Those rims are.
Yeah, we've never run these rims and tires on this car. We just did it because we were like, oh, you
Yeah,
know.
might as well.
Switching the tires.
No.
See where it was rubbing.
Yeah, so it's still water.
I thought we were already up there.
No, it's 62 right now at 75. It's just when you let go at 75, it still follows.
How'd you feel about that, Chris?
Perfect. It's funny because Dennis actually called it right on the money. He said 280, 290. The fuel is not really good for all motor, but it's really conservative on timing, and the car runs great. I mean, we're gonna drive around the block real quick, make sure everything's good. But
Would you say successful day?
I think it was great. I think it was very successful. So we went to the dyno. No mishaps except for a little bit of an overheating issue. I got an air pocket from sitting for 2 years. Made 287. It's no secret. We made 385 on a way more aggressive fuel with nitro in it, M5. This was on C16, which basically it's 100 octane. And we still made 287. Plenty of power. It still feels the same when I drove it, so I call it a great success. I think we had a blast. I think it's going to do great at the event. I think we'll be good. I think it'll be fun.
Alright, ladies and gents, as you saw, that was the day. Good day at Dyno. Next video, we will see y'all at IFO.